In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, past students from a St. Elizabeth High School join hands with residents and sponsors in Horton, Lacovia to provide one of their very own a proper home. Kian Morgan has the details.
Contentment. It's what these two new homeowners are basking in after being afforded the opportunity to have a proper place to lay their heads. A few weeks ago, this is where Latoya Ferguson and Ronald Miller of Horton, Lacovia in St. Elizabeth, along with 4 of their 6 children, called home. Beneath a tarpaulin held up by a few sticks was a bed with personal items sitting on red mud in a flood-prone area.
We never have no room. We have to turn across with the bed and lie down and set bucket and block to stand up on.
Hearing of their plight from a friend, Jennifer Powell, science teacher and president of the Past Students Association at Lacovia High School in the parish, paid the family a visit.
I could not sleep knowing that there was no bathroom or toilet. The place looked very unsanitary. And then what really touched me, when I went inside the house, I noticed that there was a little board. And the students, they have their classes in there, they had their books. The amount of books in that one room, it really touched me. So I realized that something good can come out of these kids.
Seeing firsthand the condition one of her students lived in,
immediately I reached out to some other past students and I told them of the condition, and I also sent them pictures. They said, Miss Powell, we can do it. We are going to get them. But we don't want to build one bedroom because it would look like we're not moving them forward.
Getting donation in cash and kind, with one donor providing close to $2 million, the association was able to erect a 3-bedroom facility for the family. Community members also chimed in.
This is good, man. You see me come help me, I help them, so I don't want no money. No want no money. I help. You see my child, I'm glad to know so somebody can come give me a hand. When you see the boy come here, my child, nothing, no card.
And with their former place of residence demolished, the family is now at ease.
Feel happy and thankful for Miss Powell, what she have done for me.
I sleep good. I don't need to frustrate, stressing. Just feel great.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kian Morgan.